In this video we're looking at the Maxus T60 from SAIC Motors. It's brand new, under 100 miles. Sitting on 18-inch alloy wheels. Very rugged body language along the side and a very aggressive front. Radar guided cruise control. And if we take a look inside, keyless entry, keyless start. Very clean inside. Again, under 100 miles, completely brand new. Let's take a sit inside. Driving selector located on the steering column. Digital display for your instrument cluster and your infotainment system, which is touchscreen. You have your climate controls located down here with your air vents, and then your driver selector, handbrake, wireless charging for your mobile device if your mobile device supports it. And then down here you have your cup holders. Armrest has a USB type A and a USB type C charging port with a 12-volt socket. A decent size storage compartment under the armrest, and a very handy pocket to store your cards. Moving along to the glove compartment, again a decent size. Auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass storage, vanity mirror, nice comfortable soft seats. Looking at the back, you've got ample space back there too. Let's just go back there and actually get a proper look. Decent size space all around. You have a USB type A charging port right here. You've got pockets to store stuff in. Center armrest with two cup holders. Another pocket located down here. Large door bins. Overall, this vehicle is great value. Overall, you're getting a lot for your money with this car, and it does look quite mean. For more information, contact Smithfields Motors today.